alkalinity. So first of all, what is the alkalinity? Means definition of alkalinity. So what is the definition of alkalinity? Yes, as we say about the acidity, it is nothing but the capacity of water to neutralize the given standard alkali. So in that way we can also say about the alkalinity, it is nothing but the capacity of water to neutralize the given standard acid. Because here now your solution is alkaline one and you are titrating with the acid. So whatever the standard acid which required to neutralize the given water, that is nothing but the alkalinity. So what are the causes of alkalinity? Number of causes are there by which water become acidic. Natural water can be acidic. So there are number of factors that may be due to the alkaline industrial waste, that may be due to the alkaline salt, that may be due to the alkaline gases. Just like if we consider the free CO2 in the water, and if that water is percolate in the soil which contain the limestone, means CaCO3, then that will form the CaHCO3 twice, means calcium bicarbonate. So whatever the alkalinity which is to the water sample is not only just because of OH minus, it can be because of bicarbonate and carbonate. Means the alkalinity, it can be caused by OH minus ion, CO3 minus ion and HCO3 minus ion. So if water sample is alkaline one, due to these ions present in the water, then how we can remove that alkalinity? We can remove by adding the standard acid. So again, how much acids we have to add? For that we have to determine the alkalinity of water. So again, just like acidity, we have used acid base titration. Again for alkalinity also we have to use the acid base titration. But now your water is alkaline one and we have to titrate with the standard acid, means standard HCl. So what happens when the acid base titration is will do? In that case we are using phenolphthalein and methyl orange indicator. Means as we are saying that OH minus, CO3 minus and HCO3 minus, they will causes the alkalinity. This OH minus and CO3 minus, they will, that can be determined by using the phenolphthalein alkalinity. Means caustic alkalinity can be determined by using the phenolphthalein alkalinity, and temporary alkalinity can be determined by using the methyl orange indicator. Means when we are taking the water sample in the conical flask and when we add the phenolphthalein indicator and that solution solution changes the color, means these two reactions they are takes place in the conical flask. And when you will add the methyl orange, then this after that when end point of methyl orange will be reached, then whole solution get neutral. So you have to determine ml of acid. If we want to determine the total alkalinity, in that case we have to determine the ml of acid used into whatever the normality of acid into 50. Why? Because we are calculating the whatever parameters are there equivalent to CaCO3, therefore equivalent weight of CaCO3 is 50, therefore we are multiplying with 50 and 1000, because this alkalinity we are determining per liter, therefore we are multiplying with 1000 and whole divided by ml of water which we are using here. So by this we can say that whatever the capacity of water to neutralize the given standard acid. Thank you.